Why don't beans ever play hide and seek? Because they always spill the beans. Alright, enough with the jokes. Today we're diving into the world of bean soups and their health benefits. Beans, those humble legumes, they're so much more than a musical fruit. They're a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with protein, fiber, and a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. They're versatile, affordable, and a staple in diets across the globe. And when it comes to bean soups, the magic truly begins. Now, if you're wondering why beans should be a part of your diet, here's the scoop. Firstly, beans are a fantastic source of plant-based protein. Whether you're a vegetarian, vegan, or just trying to cut down on meat, beans can provide the protein you need to keep your body strong and healthy. Secondly, beans are brimming with fiber. This not only helps keep your digestive system in check, but also aids in weight management. Fiber keeps you feeling full for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. And if that's not enough, the fiber in beans can also help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Moreover, beans are a treasure trove of important nutrients. They're rich in iron, magnesium, potassium, and folate, to name a few. These nutrients play a vital role in various bodily functions, from oxygen transport to nerve function and DNA synthesis. And let's not forget the star of our show today, bean soups. What makes them so special? Well, they're a delicious and comforting way to get all the goodness of beans into your diet. They're easy to make, incredibly versatile, and perfect for a cozy winter dinner or a light summer lunch. So, whether it's a hearty black bean soup, a creamy white bean soup, or a spicy chili, there's a bean soup out there to satisfy every palate. And the best part? You can customize them to your liking, adding in your favorite veggies, herbs, and spices. Stay tuned as we spill more beans on this nutritious meal. Bean soup, a meal that's not just tasty, but also packed with numerous health benefits. Imagine a food that's as comforting as it is good for you. That's the magic of bean soup, a humble dish that delivers on flavor and nutrition. Beans have been a dietary staple for centuries across various cultures and cuisines, and for good reason. They're high in protein, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to cut back on meat. A single cup of cooked beans can provide about 15 grams of protein, which is comparable to the amount found in 2 ounces of meat or fish. But the benefits of bean soup don't stop there. It's also a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full longer, reducing the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. A bowl of bean soup can provide more than half of your daily fiber needs. Beans are low in fat too. They're virtually free from saturated fats, the kind that can raise your cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. So, ladling up a bowl of bean soup is a heart-healthy choice. Now let's talk about vitamins and minerals. Beans are a rich source of many essential nutrients, including iron, potassium, magnesium, and folate. These nutrients support everything from your nervous system to your immune system, making bean soup a nutritional powerhouse. And the best part? All these benefits are bundled into a dish that's versatile and easy to prepare. You can use any variety of beans you like, from black beans to kidney beans to chickpeas, and you can flavor your soup with your favorite herbs and spices. It's a meal that can be customized to your personal preferences and dietary needs. And that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the benefits of bean soup. So, the next time you're looking for a meal that's comforting, nutritious, and easy to make, remember the humble bean soup. It's a dish that truly delivers on all fronts. Now that we know why we should eat bean soup, how about we learn how to make it? Welcome to the kitchen, where magic happens. Today, we're stirring up something special, a simple, nutritious bean soup that's chock full of flavor. This recipe is as straightforward as it gets, perfect for beginners and expert cooks alike. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need a medley of beans. Think kidney beans, black beans, and chickpeas. They are the stars of our show after all. Next, gather some fresh vegetables. Onions, carrots, and celery will do nicely. Also, grab some garlic because let's face it, everything tastes better with garlic. For the spices, we're going with the basics. Salt, pepper, and a dash of cumin for that earthy kick. And let's not forget the liquid gold, the stuff that brings it all together, vegetable broth. Now, on to the steps. Sauté your onions, carrots, and celery in a large pot until they're soft and fragrant. Toss in your minced garlic and let it cook for just a minute. The aroma alone will have your mouth watering. Next, it's time for the beans. Rinse them well and add them into the pot. Stir in your spices and let everything mingle for a while. This is where the flavors really start to meld together. Pour in your vegetable broth and let it simmer. We're talking low and slow here, folks. The longer it cooks, the more flavorful your soup will be. Just before serving, use an immersion blender or a regular blender to puree a portion of the soup. This will give it a creamy texture that's just divine. And voila! There you have it, a pot full of bean soup, ready to warm your belly and nourish your body. It's a meal that's not just good for you, but good for your soul. So go on, roll up your sleeves and get cooking. Prepare to wow your taste buds with this hearty bean soup. Before we move on to more mouth-watering recipes, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Your feedback is the secret ingredient that keeps us cooking up fresh and nutritious content just for you. And hey, don't just keep the magic of bean soups to yourself. Share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the wonderful world of beans together. And if you've tried any of our recipes, do let us know. We're always excited to hear about your culinary adventures. How did your soup turn out? Was it as hearty and comforting as you'd hoped? What tweaks did you make to the recipe? Remember, every like, subscribe, and comment helps us bring you more of the content you love. So don't be shy, click away. Now, back to more deliciousness. Ready for more? Here's another bean soup recipe that's sure to become a family favorite. Let's dive right into the heart of our next culinary masterpiece. This time, we're whipping up a hearty, warming pot of Tuscan white bean soup. A true treat for the senses, this dish is as comforting as a hug on a cold day. Our star ingredient for this recipe is white beans, known for their mild taste and velvety texture. They're rich in fiber and protein, making this soup a healthy choice for those seeking to add more plant-based foods to their diet. Next up, we have a medley of vegetables. We're talking onions, carrots, and celery, all finely chopped. These three make up what's known as mirepoix, the flavor base for many a soup and stew. Garlic, too, makes an appearance, lending a robust depth of flavor. Now let's get cooking. Start by sautéing your mirepoix in a splash of olive oil until the vegetables are soft and the onions translucent. Then add in your garlic, cooking until it's beautifully aromatic. Next, stir in your beans. If you're using canned beans, make sure to rinse and drain them first. If you're using dried beans, remember they need to be soaked overnight. After the beans, add in vegetable broth, a can of diced tomatoes, and a handful of fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme. Let it all simmer together, allowing the flavors to meld and marry. Our finishing touch? A generous sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and a drizzle of olive oil. This adds a creamy, indulgent layer to our soup, rounding out the flavors beautifully. And voila, there you have it, a bowl of Tuscan white bean soup, brimming with wholesome ingredients and bursting with flavor. This soup is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of simple, nourishing ingredients coming together to create something truly special. Trust us, this bean soup tastes as good as it sounds. For those of you who are health enthusiasts, we have some recommended health products in the description below. Now, these aren't just your run-of-the-mill supplements. We've taken the time to curate a list of products that complement the nutritional benefits of our beloved bean soups. First off, we have a range of high-quality, organic protein powders. If you're looking to boost your protein intake, these are a fantastic addition to your diet. They can be mixed into your soups, smoothies, or even your morning oatmeal. The best part? They come in a variety of flavors, from classic chocolate and vanilla to more adventurous ones like green tea and cinnamon roll. Next, we've got a selection of gut-friendly probiotics. These little helpers are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, and they work hand in hand with the high fiber content of beans to keep your gut in tip-top shape. Probiotics can aid in digestion, reduce bloating, and even boost your immunity. We're also recommending a few antioxidant-rich superfood powders. Antioxidants are the unsung heroes of our health, fighting off harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation. These superfood powders are packed with antioxidants, and they're a breeze to incorporate into your meals. Just a spoonful into your bean soup can exponentially increase its health benefits. Lastly, for those who want to maximize their bean soup benefits, we've got a line of fiber supplements. While beans are naturally high in fiber, these supplements can give you that extra push towards achieving your daily fiber intake. They're especially beneficial for individuals looking to manage their weight or improve their heart health. Each of these products has been carefully selected for their health benefits and their compatibility with a bean soup diet. Remember, the key to good health is balance and diversity in your diet. These products are tools that can help you achieve that balance, complementing the nutritious goodness of your bean soups. Check them out and see which ones suit your health goals. That's it for today's video on the benefits of bean soups and some easy recipes. We've journeyed through the enchanted world of beans, unveiled their magical health benefits, and even dished out some delectable recipes. We've learned that beans are more than just a humble pantry staple. They're tiny powerhouses of nutrition, packed with protein, fiber, and a plethora of vitamins and minerals. We dove into the health benefits of bean soups, illuminating how they can aid in weight management, stabilize blood sugar levels, and even support heart health. We've also discovered that these benefits are not just limited to one or two types of beans. From kidney beans to lentils, black beans to chickpeas, each variety brings its own unique set of nutritional benefits to the table. We then ventured into the culinary realm, sharing some delicious and easy-to-follow bean soup recipes. From a hearty black bean soup to a comforting lentil stew, we've shown how versatile and adaptable beans are in the kitchen. And remember, these recipes are not set in stone. Feel free to experiment with different beans and ingredients to create your own unique bean soup masterpiece. In between our culinary adventures, we took a moment to remind all of you wonderful folks to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your engagement helps us bring more content like this to you. We also took a quick detour to the description box below, where we've curated a list of recommended health products. These can support your journey to a healthier lifestyle, complementing the benefits you're already reaping from your bean soup consumption. As we wrap up, let's remember that while bean soups are delicious and nutritious, they are just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a positive mindset are equally important in our quest for health and wellness. So go ahead, dig into that bowl of bean soup, savor every spoonful, and know that you're doing something great for your body and soul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Share your favorite bean soup recipes. Stay healthy and keep cooking.